everyone. I'm sitting in the bathtub. I wanted to give you a little update on the one room challenge, and things are progressing nicely. Right now we have a little bit of a lull this week because the vanity's not being installed now until Friday, but I wanted to show you all the things I got done in this following week. So let's take a look. The wall tile that I used was not one that I had originally specified and was thinking of using. Originally, I was going to use a 4x16 subway tile matching the grout to the grays that are in the floor. And then I decided I didn't really want all that grout in a shower, and so I chose this beautiful tile. It's from Tile and Stone, located here in Calgary. It's called Linea White Prismatic. It's 12 by 24 and it's glossy. And what I love about it is it actually is easy to wipe. I had my tile setter use a white Schluter, and yes, I'm a fan of Schluter. I believe it finishes off rough edges of tile. And what I love about this is that the pattern just continues and it wraps around the bathtub. So not a lot of grout lines, and it's going to be very easy to clean. For the floor, I was very fortunate enough to have Deerfoot Tile and Carpet supply this floor tile for me. It is Castle Stone Decor Mix. Again, this is a 12 by 24, so you could barely see the grout lines, but I'm just watching my finger. It goes across 4 squares, and it's actually one tile. So the whole tile is 2 rows up and 4 across, and it is a 12 by 24 tile. So although it looks like there's 8 little pieces of tile, it's actually one big piece. And this is what it looks like. I had Ian set the tile in a random pattern. I did not want it to repeat. And then this is what it looks like from the doorway of the bathroom. This whole blog was about tile baseboards and my opinion of them, and it is very much a personal opinion. I love when doing a tile baseboard to use Schluter. Again, this tile did not have a finished edge, so it would have been very difficult to get a very clean line from the painters, and I did not want that. This is what the bathroom looks like with the tile baseboards with the Schluter on top. Not looking too bad, I must say. I'm pretty happy about it. The walls were painted with a Benjamin Moore Aura and Bath paint, and I would like to give a big shout out to my painters, Fatim and Arlen with Euro Brothers Painting. They donated the paint and the labor to paint this bathroom. It's a beautiful color. I went back and forth. My next week's blog is going to be all about painting ceilings, and I chose to paint the walls and the ceilings the one color, and here's the bath paint that I love to use in a bathroom. It's by Benjamin Moore. It's called Aura Bath and Spa, and it's specific for high humidity, high moisture areas. It works fantastic in a bathroom, and I used a matte finish, easy to wipe off the walls. There's a few other shots of what the bathroom looks like. Next week is going to be a very busy week in this small bathroom. On Friday, the counter is going to be installed, and I'm so looking forward to it because I chose this beautiful blue color that's really going to bring some color into what I would call right now, it's a little bit of a dull space, but wait till that gets installed. And then Will, my counter stone fabricator, he's going to come Friday as well and template the counter, and then a quick turnaround. He's going to be able to install that counter on Monday, and then after that the plumbing gets installed, the lights get installed, all the pretty gets put in here, and then the rest is for me to start decorating. So even though this is a 6-week one room challenge, I devised my calendar and set up my calendar to be done in 5 weeks. I mentioned before in one of my blogs that Linda Holt wrote a really great blog for people who are doing the one room challenge for the very first time, which includes me. And she gave really great advice because we do need to make sure that we have time to do final photos, to write a blog. I'm also doing video with this, so I need time to do that. So I organized this whole bathroom renovation to actually be done within 5 weeks. And that gives me a whole week of, instead of shoulders up to here, I've got my shoulders down here, and things are all done. So I'm super excited because all the messy stuff is done. The drywall's done, the painting's done. I haven't quite put away my vacuum yet, but it's staying out, and I try to vacuum up every night once the tray's been in here and makes their little bit of a tiny little mess, but we are one day closer. And we truly are one day closer with this. I love saying that with my renovation clients because yes, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Sometimes it doesn't feel like there's a light at the end of the tunnel, but there definitely is. So next week, huge week for this project. I'm going to be talking about a few special things that I've done in here. So this week's blog obviously is about tile baseboards. Next week is about paint and painting the ceilings. And then my final blog, of course, is a big reveal. And I'm going to show and talk to you about some special little features that I added into this bathroom, including some electrical, including the floor vent, and including something that's going on this boring wall. You'll have to wait and find out. I hope you join me.